If your YouTube channel isn't worth more than your startup, you're playing the wrong game. Founders scramble for valuations, but ignore their true digital estate. Investors chase cap tables while overlooking attention equity. Every view logged on YouTube compounds value like compound interest. This isn't hype, it's backed by Alphabet's Q1 2024 numbers. YouTube ad revenue soared to $8.9 billion, up 21% year over year. That's more commercial muscle than any rival video platform. Google's cash cow smokes Netflix and Disney Plus in ad profits. Ignore this at your own peril. History punishes complacency. Blockbuster fell asleep on digital. You can't afford that mistake. Your content library is your intellectual real estate. Imagine owning a property that rents without maintenance. That's exactly what YouTube videos do, year after year. In this video, we'll break down the economic framework. Understand why YouTube is more than a platform. It's a digital empire. YouTube boasts 2.7 billion active users every month. That's 52% of the entire global internet population, across 100+ countries and 80 languages. It's the world's second largest search engine behind Google, processing over 3 billion searches every single month. Every video becomes evergreen content, discoverable years later. Compare that to Instagram's 21-hour engagement half-life. Twitter posts crash after 18 minutes. YouTube thrives for weeks. Data shows YouTube video relevance lasts from 20 days to years. Nielsen's early 2024 report calls YouTube the top streaming app. 9.6% of total US TV usage, beating Netflix and Disney Plus. Adult users now spend 48.7 minutes daily on YouTube. That deep engagement builds attention equity investors crave. This platform isn't an option, it's the default channel. If you're not on YouTube, you're invisible to half the world. Think of each video as a digital property deed. Upload once, collect rent in the form of views. YouTube's search algorithm redistributes traffic without extra ad spend. 90% of Google's video search results point to YouTube. Dual exposure on Google and YouTube doubles your SEO value. Even old content resurfaces with algorithm updates and trends. Case in point, Gary Vaynerchuk's 2016 wine videos still drive leads. Evergreen videos reduce churn and stabilize cash flows. Creators get a 55% revenue share via the YPP. YouTube paid out over $70 billion in the last 3 years. That's a proven income stream, not a bonus lottery ticket. Shorts act as high-speed lead generators into your long-form assets. Shorts now rack up over 70 billion views every day. Every short is a billboard directing subscribers to your catalog. This is digital property that never depreciates if you manage it. Ad revenue remains the primary cash engine on YouTube. Creators pocket 55% through the YouTube Partner Program. Non-ad streams are booming. Welcome to YouTube Shopping. Shopify Partnership turns your videos into live storefronts. Viewers check out directly, bypassing middlemen and fees. AI tool allowed dubs your videos into multiple languages. One production, dozens of markets, zero extra filming costs. Premium and music subscriptions hit 100 million users in 2024. High-intent subscribers pay for uninterrupted, ad-free watch time. Creators earn based on watch time share, no ads needed. Super chats, memberships, and brand sponsorships layer on top. Financial firms like Spotter and JellySmack invest up to $100 million. They buy back catalog rights because catalogs are bankable collateral. Marketplace valuations run between 30x and 60x monthly net profit. Treat your channel as a diversified asset portfolio. Goldman Sachs pegs the creator economy at $480 billion by 2027. They identify YouTube as the primary institutional-grade platform. This isn't mom-and-pop hobbyist territory anymore. PE firms and VCs now issue term sheets for channels. Quiet Light and Empire Flippers list six-figure deals daily. A niche channel trading at 40x profit sold for $2 million. Imagine leveraging that asset class in your term sheets. Digital equity means shares in content libraries, not shares in stock. Financial instruments will soon be tied to viewership metrics. Think convertible debt backed by 12-month view forecasts. Attention equity becomes as fungible as cash-flowing real estate. Savvy investors already demand YouTube KPI line items. If you ignore them, you'll find your cap table empty. This is how institutional money flocks to scalable content. Align your strategy, build, optimize, then fractionalize your estate. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a sovereign digital nation, where citizenship means attention and currency is engagement. AI dubbing and localized content expand your borders infinitely. Shopping integration transforms viewers into customers instantly. Search supremacy ensures your content stays on page 1. Every algorithm update is a tax break on your digital estate. But platform risk looms. Policy changes can wipe out earnings. Relying solely on one channel is a strategic mistake. Diversify across formats: shorts, live, long-form, community posts. Invest in AI tools, analytics, and professional editing. Start thinking like a real estate tycoon. Capital improvements matter. Buy back safe channels, sell underperforming assets. Prepare for the next wave of on-demand video innovation. Either you become an owner or remain a digital tenant. So what's your decision? Are you ready to claim your digital